Welcome to the design tool for Buff Brite Skinz. First, just choose your template for the machine you have, then choose your background color that you'd like to use. Next, you're going to choose your background vector, and you can move that anywhere you want. You can spin it, you can make it larger or smaller, you can also copy the image or delete it. There's so many to choose from, go ahead and play around a little bit until you find what works for you. You can even import your own file through our Images tab and play around with your own background to get it just the way you want. But let's just grab one and play around with it. So we're going to choose one. We're going to go ahead and crop that image to bring it down, and then we can go ahead and import it. For this design, I want to take what I've made and I want to mirror image it. So I'm going to lay it out. I'm going to stretch it. You can widen it and stretch it, and then I can create a mirror image of it and then stretch it out to the same size so that one side resembles the other. Lay it in place, and then when I'm really happy with the results, check my work out close by using the zoom tool, and when I'm happy with the work, I can go out and get into our clip arts. Now there's a lot of clip arts to choose from. Once again, most of them are transparent and you can see through them, so size them to what you want, flip them around, lay them to your area that you want until you get the desired look you're looking for. Choose some other clip arts, drop them. It's a simple click and they end up on your desktop and you can manipulate them wherever you want. Add other clip arts, and more than anything, just have a good time. Remember, this is just your way to put your own personal touch on your polisher while protecting it. You can bring in our logo if you want and tag us by putting it anywhere on there, but it's not required. But in this instance, we're going to throw it here at the back so people know where to come get our product. Bring in your own personal logo. You can't bring in anything that's got a copyright, so your NFL team and your Disney princess stuff is just going to have to wait, unless you can get permission from Disney, that is. Now we're going to run in and throw on some text. You can put in whatever you want. There's lots of custom tools here. You can change the colors of it. Just go up into the color wheel. There's custom colors, or you can go ahead and just choose some of the basic ones that are there. When you're happy with that, you can copy it, flip it, and put it to wherever you like. If you make a mistake, just push the undo button, and if you want to go back, push the redo button. You can grab any other images through our images file, bring in whatever you want. It'll stay there, so when you do another project later, all your art that you brought in is there and waiting for you to use. I do recommend every once in a while hitting the file button and saving your file. You can save as many designs as you want to your folder and keep them for later and work on them whenever you'd like. When you're done, just hit that add to cart button and then go into your cart and check out. We hope this has helped you out. So have fun as you design your skins at buffbriteskinz.com.